Welcome back to the box culvert build. At last build, we had completed our topo of our road, shot our 2 sewer manholes, and created a feature line where our new sewer line is going to go. What I want to do next is I'm going to build this box. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my hamburger menu, project setup, change project. I'm going to create a new work order. I'm going to call this box build. I'm going to hit finish. Now there are multiple ways and different things different people would like for this box build. We're going to try to go through a couple step-by-step things. One of the things I like to do is I like to bring in the detail sheet of what my box actually looks like. So I'm actually going to come up here. I'm going to hit my hamburger menu, Kogo, create points and arcs. I'm going to free pick a couple points. So if I go on my free pick point and I just tap, I know my box is going to be being built right there. So I'm just going to tap a point here. I'm going to tap a point there. And these are just going to be point 1. We're going to call them anchors. No elevations needed. So I'm going to hit my cogwheel images. I'm going to go back to my plus sign. I'm going to go back to my desktop where I have this saved. So C drive, users, site tech, desktop. Go back to my bid set. I'm just going to click over. There's my proposed. There's my cross sections for my sewer. And here's the detail sheet that I want. So I'm going to hit import. We're going to georeference it. It's going to say where do you want to put it. So I'm going to tap one of my anchors. I'm going to zoom in. This cross section detail. I'm just going to grab a point down there. Click my other anchor. Point over there. Hit accept. This is just going to give me a little bit of, so I don't have to switch between this screen and this screen. I can just have it all right here when I'm building. So next step I'm going to do, and once again, this isn't how you have to do it. This is just how I like to do it. I'm going to hit accept. I'm going to get my alignment. Everything's checked out. I've checked in some control. Everything's lining up the way I like it. I'm going to shoot a point. You can see where I'm standing on where this alignment is going to be. This is going to be what I'm going to essentially build off from. So get where I need to go. This rock here. Because the alignment of this culvert is changing, I'm going to take a shot there. I'm just going to leave it as a feature for right now. And I'm just going to say invert in. Alright, that just gives me, I have a center line of this, but that essentially gives me my alignment. If I wanted to, what I could do is I could shoot this one as well, just to make sure I have a good anchoring point and make sure it's actually going to make sense in this real space we're in. Because I know this culvert's 39 feet. So come over here. And now I have the alignment of it. So now we can start working. We can start working in Kogo. So once again, hamburger, Kogo, create points and arcs. We have our culvert there. The first thing I want to do is I know that this is a 39-foot culvert. I'm going to switch my image so I can start working with my details. We'll just have those 2 points. I'm able to turn that off. I have my 2 points. If I come up here, there it goes, precast concrete, 39 feet in length. So I'm going to hit my point and bearing distance. I'm going to start at my invert in. Hopefully I choose the right point. Hit accept. Deflection angle. I'm going to click down to invert out. So you can see that horizontal offset there. I was just over 39 feet. So I'm actually going to manually type in 39 feet and force that to be my new invert out. So that's step one. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete point 4 so we don't get confused. Now neither of these points have correct elevations. So if I come down here, I can see that my invert in and my invert out. So invert in, 3728. Come back up here, press and hold, edit data, 372.8. Save. And now we'll do our invert out, which is 3717. So we're actually going to press and hold on that. Edit data, 372.7. Oh, sorry, 371. Save. We're just going to confirm that. 1728. 717, my bad. At 3717. Alright, so next step, we're going to actually build this box.